Hello everyone, Will Hyder here, Construction Technical Specialist with ATG, back for another ACC Tech Talk. Today we're going to be looking at a new functionality of the files area that was part of this latest January 2024 release. And it is the ability to keyword search across multiple page PDFs. So the first thing we're going to do is go into the files area of ACC Build. Just as a friendly reminder, this files area is going to be the same, and this keyword functionality is going to be the same whether we're talking about files in Build or Docs or any of the other ACC modules that are part of a project. I'm going to go ahead and go into this PBS CAD standards file for the sake of this tech talk. You can see it's a 5-page PDF. Mostly text, but this would work the same way if you were searching through, for instance, drawings that were saved as PDFs in your files area. It would work exactly the same way. Where I begin to start looking for keywords is with this magnifying glass button here on the top right. That's right next to the compare tool, which you may be familiar with. And I'm going to click on that magnifying glass and enter a keyword that I'm looking for. Since these are CAD standards, I'm going to make the assumption that the term CAD is going to be pretty prevalent here. And you see it is. Below the term itself, you're going to see the individual pages which it appears on. So in this case, it appears on pages 1, 2, and 5. To the right of the search term, you're going to see how many instances the term appears on that specific page. So on page 1 here, I have 21 instances. On page 2, give it a second to load. You see I have 4 instances, and on page 5, I believe there are 5 instances. But no matter. We're going to go back to page 1 here. Now, on the page itself, the specific instance of the word is always going to be highlighted in orange, which you see. That's this one right here that I'm circling. And then the other instances of that keyword on the page are going to be highlighted in yellow. Now, to navigate between these instances, we're going to use these 2 arrows here to the right of the search input box. And if I hit next, you see it's going to jump down, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case. If I go to previous, it's going to go back up the page. So again, pretty simple navigation tools, very similar to the Control F function on your web browser. This was a very highly demanded feature for obvious reasons, and I am personally thankful that ACC has finally chosen to adopt it. That's it for this particular Tech Talk. Thank you again for your time and attention, and look forward to seeing you on future Tech Talks.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and check out some of the other content on our channel.